26th Manipuri Language Day widely observed. Minister Radhesham says disagreement among people delayed development of the language. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh claims insurgency has reduced by 75% in Northeast with NIA's efficiency. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi asserts that the Congress party can never be wiped out from the country. CPI Manipur State Council demands removal of Armed Forces Special Power Act and free and fair panchayat elections. And JAC of Siddharth Moirangthem claims he was murdered, urges government to find the truth behind his death. Hello viewers, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News with me, Priyo Bharta, this Sunday. And let's now take a look at the news in detail. The 26th Manipuri Language Day was widely observed in Manipur today. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham lamented that disagreement among the people has delayed the development of the Manipuri language. The day was observed by the 26th Manipuri Language Day State Level Celebration Committee formed by 14 associations to mark the inclusion of the Manipuri language in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution on August 28, 1992 at Iboyamas Shumangla Shanglen. Speaking at the event, Works and IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit said, "It is unfortunate to consider Manipuri language, which is the common language of the people of the state, as a language of just one community." He said, although the language has been included in the 8th schedule, the issue of Manipuri script is yet to be resolved. He said, the present generation must work for the development and promotion of the language for the sake of the future generations.
Hayeng Pavaji, I bring a sea pabam sangi, and a sea second pangan culling a haying at Kangan, and a sea I couldn't swallow hayeng can have the Kutayak and whatever, and Manipur is it is a Miam Wana, Miam Dina Hodarga, Sarkar Nataba, Miamgi Polau, Aduga, Lady Ba, Apugi, Marat Sarkarda, when a Kanabamatam, the equivalent Posikari, you know, those Simba, Kan with Pan gives a Quimiam, and she didn't I could Sarkar from Lady. In his speech, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham assured that the government will make efforts for inclusion of the Manipuri language in the currency notes and in the list of classical languages of India. The minister regretted that instead of developing the language, all are expressing their dissents. He urged the people to work together for the development of the language. The minister maintained that the need of the hour is to hold debates, essay writing and other competitions in the language among the youth. He also assured of support from the Education Department in holding these competitions.
Loan funds are getting conservative. Yet other than Lavimota, a quay loans, I'm sin and but the Kale, the Caricarisan away. Isai Eva, Lyric Eva, Lila Tareva, Drama Tareva, Akoigi, Kunung Isai Saiba, Kongshom Parva, Moirang Parva, Sima, I'm just encouraged to rocket the Akoi loans, common and sin and ragged Akoi loans, Sakutarania. Akoi loans in a photo. I don't have Hindi Monkratam, Burmese Monkratam, Saudi Monkratam, English Monkratam, Loy Loxan, Loy Hasilaka, Akoi converts to my conversion.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham said out of the 1,652 Indian languages, only 22 are included in the 8th schedule. He expressed a sense of pride that Manipuri language is also included in the 8th schedule. The minister also urged the people to work towards the promotion of the Manipuri language. The minister appealed to public to provide positive feedback to the new government, which is working for the welfare of the people.
Imaron isagi loan sokot paise the maruine importance ahumda abadi aina aigi iron the ngangje paise sidagi hana kasin koya yong na phongdo pangam se si aigi imaron the hena laike number 1 sim any kind of subject ama nay na ba kanda patana understand tawa masigi maram da khangba akoi isa gi lon chokot na ba hona ba hai ba si kwaidagi maru oibani.
Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur also observed the 26th Manipuri Language Day at Manipur Press Club. People offered floral tributes at the portraits of the persons who worked for the development and promotion of the Manipuri language. R. Kathing Tangkhul Literary Award 2017 was presented to writer Ojit Kumar Luangcha. Dr. Saroj Nalini Parat Literary Award 2017 to writer Sijagurumayum Suchitra. And Sadokpam Bridget Mangang was awarded with Pacha Maite Literary Award 2017. 4 books written by different writers were also launched at the event. Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur Kakching observed the 26th Manipuri Language Day today at their office in Kakching Chumnangpat. Retired Principal Professor Kunjo spoke on the significance of the day for the people of Manipur. President of Manipur Sahitya Samiti Dr. Thonojam Komdon, President of Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur Kakching Yangkhom Dhananjoy, and Sahitya Academy awardee Khetri Biren were among those present at the event. All Manipur Students Union MSU also observed the 26th Manipuri Language Day at their office on Dame College campus today. Former Dean of School of Humanities, Manipur University, Professor S. Sanatombi was also present on the occasion. Members of MSU and students of various schools also took part in the event. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh today asserted that with the National Investigation Agency NIA probing the terror funding issues and Naxalism, the Northeast region has witnessed 75% and 40% fall respectively in both the areas. The minister inaugurated the NIA's residential office in Lucknow today. He said the NIA has successfully emerged as a credible agency since its inception in 2009. Rajnath Singh said in the Northeast area, the rate of terrorism and Naxalism has gone down by 75% and 40% respectively. He added that the way NIA probes the matter is tremendous as the conviction rate goes up to 95%. He asserted that there is no investigating agency in India whose conviction rate is that high. Singh further said that in Jammu and Kashmir, stone pelting issue was growing day by day, and with NIA's efficient performance, a reduction has been witnessed in such matters. He maintained that if the main source of terror funding could be destroyed, it would lead to an end of terrorism. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today celebrated the 73rd birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi at Congress Bhavan. Speaking on the occasion, opposition leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi asserted that the Congress party can never be wiped out from the country. He compared the Congress party to an ocean. Congress leaders and workers offered floral tributes at the portrait of Rajiv Gandhi. MPCC President T.N. Haukip administered the Sadbhavana pledge to the gathering. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the event, Okram Ibobi said people must not forget the contribution of Rajiv Gandhi towards the nation's development. The former Chief Minister said under his leadership, India made achievements in the field of science and modern technology. Ibobi recalled that Rajiv Gandhi also passed the anti-defection law to protect the largest democracy in the world. He asserted that Congress party workers will work to realize the dreams of the late Prime Minister, whether the party is in power or not in the state. Congress MLAs, office bearers of MPCC, councillors and party workers attended the observance.
Prajasinga piba mandate se sidaida tha manga trukphau chahi manga di lion phadringeda horse trading tawdra kanaguma party khrana maduda encourage tawdra sakti paidaba yade haibagi wakhanda tawbasina prithvi punamangna bebhar tawriba largest democracy in the world se phagi tarkadore haidra 10 schedule bharat ki samvidhan semdoktuna magi matamda chongthok chongshin yadaba anti defection law ama Bharat ki parliament da puthokna pass ta wirambase ngasigi matam asidadi yamna masigi relevancy masigi tangai phadabase masi akhoina amuhanna Shri Rajiv jibu ningsingdaba ngamoy.
Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee held the tree plantation program today at ABA ground Khetrigao to commemorate the 73rd birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. More than 100 saplings were planted by Youth Congress members. CPI Manipur State Council today demanded removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA) from Manipur and free and fair panchayat elections. Speaking to media persons at Irabot Bhavan today, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council Dr. Moirangthem Nara demanded that the AFSPA must be removed from the state. He came down heavily on the government of India for remaining a mute spectator even after the Jeevan Reddy Commission has asked for withdrawal of the act. He maintained that the act was removed from 7 assembly segments only after 5 CPI ministers in the then SPF government threatened to withdraw their support to the government against the backdrop of brutal murder of Thangjam Manorama in 2004. He said the act was removed in the same year on August 13th, the Patriots' Day. Speaking on the upcoming panchayat elections, Dr. Nara asked the government to walk the talk when it says it will wipe out corruption. He urged the government to check the feasts being organized in connection with the upcoming panchayat elections. He also said the government needs to look into irregularities in implementation of NFSA in the state. Dr. Naras asserted that there are still many complaints against non-distribution of rice under NFSA. On Ithai Barrage project, Dr. Naras said the project is causing problems to the people rather than providing benefits.
Assam amasung Manipur da Armed Special Power Eglokthopasi state government na tanja yengaga lokthokcharo haibagi ingit ama pirak tanja aduni. We welcome it. We also need to continue our demand. Aduga state government da sunga sidi suggestion tawjaningi madudi this is the time now state government na consciously with the support of the people ekas hai lokthokpagi matam oire haina khali madugi damukta CPI na demand tawjari. Sigi government asina thauna laina corruption muthat ke hairabadi hantaki election se free and fair ohengani anokta haibiu madugi matungda aikoi support tawjage corruption muthat pasidi government ki determination yaudana su yaroi miyam sibu gyan tahandana punna chamina nabi thak tawdraga su yaroi.
JAC formed against the death of Siddharth Moirangthem claimed that he did not die due to the blue whale game, but he was murdered. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, President of the JAC, KH Ibomcha, denied media reports that Siddharth, son of former Minister Moirangthem Okendro, fell from the 3-story building of My Grill restaurant located at House Khas village, Delhi. He alleged that Siddharth was pushed from the building. Ibomcha said the missing jewelry and scars on the body proved that he was murdered. He also maintained that Siddharth is very dear to his parents and a bright student and could not involve in a game like Blue Whale. Ibomcha said it is unfortunate that the state government has remained silent on the matter. He appealed to the government to urge the centre to find out the truth behind his death. Ibomcha also threatened to carry out intense agitation with civil society organizations and students' organizations if there are no positive response from the government by the 22nd of this month.
Magna tarak e hai basida second floor da magi anu tahore first floor da na magi pal taramni mana tarak bagada mana chung tharak bagada first floor da kamaina mani bek tu tahogadorina yamna chingni hai oiba north eastern region da lairiba mahiro singbo yamna namthaning bagi wakalon da toba dugumba aduga sen pamba magi mangondagi sanalupa magi sijaba lik Kudo mullaba matungda pureraga masagi kauksin pujin bagada si sagan sayang teki aduga swai sida kauki bagi kaino mayamama lai ikoi melen indiana sathariba north east sathariba thawong si yaning de.
Social Democratic Party of India SDPI Manipur State organized a get-together program as part of its national campaign to create awareness to resist lynching at Classic Ground today. National General Secretary of SDPI Mohammad Ilyas Tambe, President of Popular Front of India Manipur State MV Wahidur Rahman, General Secretary of SDPI Manipur State Riazuddin and members of different political parties attended the program. United Committee Manipur UCM and Progressive Committee Tripura organized Manipur socio-cultural meet at Shahid Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel at Khejur Begun, Tripura to promote relationship between the Manipuri diaspora living in Tripura and people of Manipur. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayant Kumar, Chairman of Reception Committee N. Niranjan Datta, President of UCM Johnson Ilangbam and veteran writer of Tripura L. Birmangal were among those present at the event. People today observe the 78th Lining Ngak Sienba Numid at Kangla Uttarashanglen to mark the day in 1947. Bodhachandra Maharaj hoisted the flag at Palace Compound in Kangla, announcing the freedom of Manipur. Laishemba Sanajoba hoisted the Ibudo Pakhamba flag on the occasion today. The event was organized by Kangla Famthau 62. Cultural programs were the highlights of the event. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Laishemba Sanajoba urged the people not to forget this day. He said, on the day, Bodhachandra Maharaja made commitments to protect the culture and traditions of the state. He said, on that day, the Maharaja urged the people to follow the Chingtam Salai Taret, Mayek Machon, and asked to discuss the history of Manipur.
Masi aikogi leibak miyam na yamna talai na lahon janinde adugo masi nainaraga aikogi tungi horiba saron surun dasu akoina mamutana khangalaga akoigi tungi phirep adugo makoigi logom thokpa phirep tu leptana laudana leibak sigi ina lainingi akoigi saktamgi adugo akoigi singtam leiminarba mayam sa masigi akoigi tawham thokpa ithogdang singdo masigi sumba senglaba numit asina lakpasida
Moirangthem Tomba from Hairok Part 3, Tarombang Lekai, rescued a 7-year-old girl who was being abducted by Moirangthem Lukhoi, 22 years, son of M. Iboncha from Hairok Part 2, and carried in an auto rickshaw towards Hairok Amuru Lokon around 8:30 yesterday morning. However, Lukhoi managed to escape. A combined team of Yaripok Police Station led by SDPO and Hairok Police arrested Lukhoi from Ngathal village, Hairok Part 1 around 5:40 this morning. Churchanpur Police also helped in the arrest of the accused. Convener of Victims Committee of Nungai Violent Incident asserted that Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren assured the victims of Nungai violence who have not received compensation from the government of compensation. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of the committee Aslam Khan said the Chief Minister gave the assurance to them during a meeting today. He said the Chief Minister also instructed the district administration investigating into the Nungai violence to submit report of the victims who have not received compensation.
Group amagina phangangaga group amagina akhoi phanghandaba madugi file ji ama phawba Home Department Thagat Piramdaba, Loinana, Cabinet na decision low matamda, party amagi yaw hidabashina, Hakogi, Kanglu amagi, Prajasing Tamoy the Nunang Bapopa, victims in a Nunang Bapopadu, Nasiakoi, on 11 Shem, Unajara Matunda, on 11 Shemna, Madunang Popigano, Jati Barna Kaiba Wapam Late, minority, Panbigan have a pump. Kaya ako'y thambira loina na district administration da khudakta masi thabak onthok na ba ako'y honorable CM na instruction PB.
A team of Thobal Police Commando arrested an illegal drug trader from the house of one Muhammad Salim, 28 years, son of Muhammad Ayub Khan from Sora Maning Lekai yesterday afternoon around 3:30. The arrested person is identified as Alam Khan, 30 years, son of Muhammad Iboton Khan from Yaripok Bamul Lekai. The team seized 21 gram of heroin number 4 powder and 178 WY tablets from him. Preliminary investigation revealed that Alam came to buy the drugs from Salim, who is a drug supplier. He has been handed over to Kaching Police Station. A team of Surchanpur Police led by 2nd OC James Waifai and IO Chingzasalem Kipgin arrested a person who was alleged to be involved in a theft at VK Tanwa College, Surchanpur on the night of August 17th. He is identified as Fulinhao Lengen, 19, son of Liambi Lengen from Red Cross Road, Surchanpur. One Lenovo laptop, an eyeball laptop, 25,000 rupees and 500 in cash, one new Samsung mobile J7, one receipt book and 70 forms have been seized from him. And it's time for a small commercial break, but we'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Impact News and this is Prime Time English News with me, Priyo Barta. Let's see what else made news this Sunday. Northeast Student Society Delhi University held a candlelight vigil in Delhi against the death of M. Siddharth, son of former Minister Moirangthem Okendro, yesterday. The candlelight vigil was held at the Gate of Arts Faculty, DU North Campus, in the evening at 6 p.m. Rotary Club of Imphal held a career guidance program for higher secondary school students today at auditorium of Rotary Multi-Service Centre, Manipur. Rotary Club selected students from 4 government higher secondary schools for this year and provided the career guidance. Resource persons from different backgrounds advised the students on successful career planning.
Angang singkina tasengna yamna phajana khoina kauribe experts singkina ngang ibasida tasal lagadi kogi masagi career lepse bada yamna mapangol oiba support oiba magi dream do phajana dum fulfill oiba ngamgani haibagi asadu khoina ujai maroina koi government school la leiba students singsi kitang family jo khara kitang middle class family de oiba duna careers ji parents singina piba ngamdaba do khoina kitang Rotary Club Imphal gi site gi ko yamna ngamdra ko ngam bakhar kitang share to ba haidare mase khoina tawjariba program se.
Post-metric scholarship and prizes were distributed to Best Teacher, Inspire Awardee Class 12, students with outstanding achievement, sport achievement and winners of state-level painting competition at an event organized by United Development Association at Khangabu Higher Secondary School. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham and Chairman Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur L. Mohindra were also present at the function. United 7 Watch Development Organization USWDO Khetrigao Makhalikai organized the first Khetrigao GP Level Meritorious Award 2017 for BOSEM, KOHOSEM and CBSE at Khergao Junior High School ground today. Sponsor of the prizes, Abdul Hakim, donated a playground with an area of 0.71 acre to USWDO on the occasion. General Secretary of USWDO said the ground will encourage the youth to get involved in sports and stay away from drugs and intoxicants.
Tungdawaliba Satra Singasigi, Inwat Namu Oina, or Masiweta de Angansi, Lake Pabi Sansi, Wankalakwa competition, Hangalaway the Makta, Gidamakta do Kalak Pantopani, Masi Hanbu is Rekosu, Akoi Pandam, the Matang Pantokeba, Satami, Grand Pajat, Part 2 Ladyba, Parzasingsina, Hyper organizations, the Mating Pambina behind organizing it Raptesu, Nisingari, Aduga, Hyper, Maruena, Masimatamkara Lepure. Ada akhenu aduga mamang da dihan tarami adu matam khar lebu matang da hojik ahan hojik sahi manisi da di hojik ke hari organization sina ahan boina hai tare hojik pangthok sabne.
Sana Janmasthan Club, a joint club of Kashamthong, Moirang Ningthau Lerak, Laisom Lerak and Ahibam Lerak, distributed prizes to students of the localities at a function held at the club of Moirang Ningthau Lerak. Successful students of class 10 and 12 in examinations conducted by CBSE, KOHOSEM and BOSEM were presented with prizes as an encouragement. Thangta players who achieved international recognition and the skater who created Guinness World Record in limbo skating were also honored with gifts. A Manipur Hijab Festival, an exclusive festival for Manipuri Pangal, will be held to promote and protect the culture and identity in October. Speaking to media persons at Hotel Classic today, joint organizer of the festival Muhammad Ali said the festival aimed at promoting the image of the culture of Meitei Pangal in the state. He said stalls showcasing apparels, food and cuisines of Meitei Pangal will be opened at the festival. Members of Nomaibung Maira Paibi Welfare Association staged a sit-in in support of KSA's demand to release of KSA members who were arrested by police during agitation, demanding protection of indigenous people of the state without any condition. People took out a protest rally in support of Kanglei Park Student Association KSA's demand for protection of the rights of indigenous people of the state. The rally started from Ningthokong Higher Secondary School. Scuffles broke out between the police and protesters after a team of Bishnupur police prevented them from marching ahead. Advocate General N. Kumarjit, who was the returning officer for the election of office bearers of High Court Bar Association Manipur 2017-2019, distributed certificates to the elected office bearers at the High Court auditorium today. Senior advocates K.H. Binoy Kumar, Y. Bimol Chandra and A. Bimol were also present at the event. Nepali Sahitya Parishad Manipur, in collaboration with all Manipur Gurkha Students Union, organized the 25th Bhasha Divas at Gandhi Memorial Hall today. Speakers spoke on the role of Manipur in language movement and present-day situation of a language at the event. Cultural dances and poetry recitation were also highlighted the event.
yamna wana kanna honara 1956 dagi honara lakpane adu 1992 da laga Mite longa Nepali longa Konkani ga chanbase Bhasha Diwas haina loan gi numit hain lawi tawbadi akhoi gi loan ne akhoi gi inat ne akhoi gi saktam ne malem sing ra thungna kanna na bada loan sina yam chawbo thaudang ham lawba aduna akhoina Manipur da su Mite loan ga loina na Nepali loan je khutsam na na chatpa yara gadi akhoi ji amna chawkhat kani habagi pamai da akhoina imban do pusan badi akhoi yam chawthok chani hai ne 1992 gi August 20 se akhoina loan ani phangbase Nepali na akhoi gi ima loan oiraga Manipuri na akhoi gi state gi loan oiraga akhoi dagi laibak phabadi numit tu da kanasu lairamoi haina khali.
Teachers and Medical Officers Association TAMOA Regional Institute of Medical Sciences donated 1,40,000 rupees to Chief Minister's Relief Fund today. Dr. Sunil Kumar Salam and Dr. Chetan Maibam handed over the donation to Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren today at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Lifesavers Manipur, in collaboration with HDFC Bank and Sija Blood Bank and Transfusion Services Langol, will organize the 40th blood donation camp at Manipur College Pishumthong in memory of those who sacrificed their lives on Hunger Marches Day. Lions Club of More Border Town, a branch of Lions Club, was launched at More at 6 p.m. yesterday. Office bearers of the new club were also elected. Lions Club of Imphal East and Imphal West organized the launch event at the Convention Hall of More Trade Center. Manglem Huidrom was elected president of the club. All banks across the country will be closed on Tuesday, August 22nd, as the Union Forum of Bank Union, comprising of 9 different trade union organizations in banks, have launched a one-day All India bank strike, pressing various demands. And in some sports news, Angtha FC and PRYA Kundrakpam beat their rivals in the Moirangthem Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the 17th league match played today at ABA Ground, Khetrigao, Angtha FC thrashed ABA Khetrigao 2-0. And in the 18th league match, PRYA Kundrakpam beat SWC Kongman 3-1. 8 teams are taking part in the tournament held under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association. 19th and 20th league matches will be played tomorrow. Teka Pishum Kangkhud thrashed IWKK Uchekon Kangkhud 13-6 in the 12th league match of the second Sri Sri Gopaldev League Cum Knockout Kang tournament for 55 to 60 years. The tournament is organized by Sri Sri Gopaldev Kangkhud. Thamaiban Kangkhud and Gopaldev Kangkhud Team B, Yaiskul, will meet in the 13th league match. Fencers Welfare Parents Association today felicitated fencers from Kongman who bagged medals at the 13th Governors Cup State Level Fencing Championship 2017 and 8th Mini National Fencing Championship 2017 held at Nasik, Maharashtra. The felicitation was held at the office of Rainbow Cable Network in Kongman Zone 4. Mementos were presented to the fencers and coaches as an encouragement in their future endeavor. It may be mentioned that 83 fencers from 4 different clubs in Kongman took part in the 13th Governors Cup State Level Fencing Championship 2017 and Kongman SWC were the second runners-up in the tournament. 10 fencers from Kongman took part in the 8th Mini National Fencing Championship 2017 held at Nasik and won several medals including gold in team and individual events.
Maru ibadi national level haitar national level si amna maru oina khoina laujai aduna national level si wali banina akoi je hoji se makata na dum practice tawba hore adubu akoi lakadoba national level di ai angang singi that ai interest ai laikai gi then club ki yengaga ai best level da ai angang ai da ai level thada jaraga hairiba national si da ai maximum goal lona ba then participate tawna ba ai isama by heart tawraga I fulfill I fazana mating pangjegena I hoji po adu wakan lei.
And before we end, the headlines once again. 26th Manipuri Language Day widely observed. Minister Radhesham says disagreement among people delayed development of the language. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh claims insurgency has reduced by 75% in Northeast with NIA's efficiency. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi asserts that the Congress party can never be wiped out from the country. CPI Manipur State Council demands removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act and free and fair Panchayat elections. And JSC of Siddharth Moiranthem claims he was murdered, urges government to find the truth behind his death.